Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate Messenger account and not Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Messenger application. Once you open Messenger, then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and here you need to scroll down until you will find an option of account settings. Click on that option, and here you can see account ownership and control. Click on that option, and then you need to click on deactivation and deletion. Okay, then you need to click on continue to Facebook account deactivation and deletion, and then you need to select deactivate account. Click on continue, and here you need to mention our reason. So I'm going to mention our reason. Click on continue, and here you can see that you can select the okay. Click on continue again. So here you can see that opt out of receiving future from Facebook, and then you need to click on deactivate my account. Once you click on that, your account will be deactivated with Messenger. Okay, so this is our process by which you can deactivate Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.